So we're here celebrating the Brisbane Open House event where Svitzer gets to open its doors to the public for a sort of once a year event. Svitzer is a towage operator. We operate here at the Port of Brisbane, providing harbour towage and emergency service towage for ships around the Brisbane area. A really important engagement for us with our local community and how we connect into our local area and connect with our industry. It's amazing to see all the families and the children here and people with such an interest in what we do down here at the Port of Brisbane.
You know, I think introducing this kind of thing to the kids at a young age is really good. Lachlan loves seeing the inside of the boat.
My favourite part of the boat was the horse.
3, 2, 1, go!
My favourite thing from the boat is the engine. When I grow up, I want to walk in the boat.
Stepping on the boat, it was a lot bigger than I thought it would be originally. A lot more tech on there, a lot more sophisticated. And stepping on the boat straight away, the team were just awesome. Everyone just seemed so passionate and so happy to be here and so proud to be here at the company. And just learning from them, hearing their experiences, it was great. Really opened my eyes in terms of working in the marine industry.
I think there's a lot to know about maritime careers that you just don't hear about unless you've got someone who's already in the industry. So hearing from all the guys on board today, it was quite eye-opening on what you can do and the training that goes in to actually being able to be on these tugboats.
Yeah, look, this is a really great opportunity for people to come in and have a look and see what we do, and you know, with any luck we might find the next generation of seafarer coming through who falls in love with the tugboat here today.